01, split climb to 10,000 approved. Runway 22 right opposite direction, wind 100 at 5, clear for takeoff, change to departure.
Viper 01, clear for takeoff, 22 right up to 10,000, pushing 4. Alright, alright, alright. Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's send it. Make a little noise for God and Country, pull a few G's. Here we go.
Stand by, we're coming to the merge here. County 1. This is 1 County. This is high, not great.
$110 knots of closure. Looks good. Oh, he's right above the floor.
Viper terminate, Viper 1 terminate.
Ace is 5-1, engaged with 1.
So Singleton there, Ace is 1.
Ace 5-1, anchor, bullseye 170, 23, 31,000. Stay positive.
Alright, just had my first FPV Dogfight in the rain, 2 Viper pilots out here in Pensacola, Florida. What a rush. 2 things that were on my bucket list were to have a FPV combat flight and also fly in the rain. Check both of those boxes. First time out here.